I always have to smile when I go to schools and I tell them that I was officially born in 3 different countries. The city where I was born, Czernowitz, was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. As the borders shifted, so did my nationality. When I was born, December 21st, 1939, Czernowitz belonged to Romania. When I came to the United States, in my passport it said I was born in the former Soviet Union. And right now my passport, it says I was born in Ukraine. We were not deported by the Germans. We were deported by the Romanians in Ukraine in a labor camp called Mogilev Podolsk. Interestingly enough, I grew up in Romania, but that was only in 1946. Since we were deported by the Romanians in 1946, they allowed approximately 3,000 Jews to repatriate. And my father, for whatever reason, decided, to settle in Transylvania, and that's where I grew up. I'm also connected with Yiddish because that was the language that I spoke at home, although the first language was German, but I also spoke Yiddish and Russian. At the same time, I also was in Iași. It's in the eastern part of Romania, and I became very friendly with the cast of the Yiddish theater. My Yiddish today is not as good as it was, I speak fairly well, but I think I understand more. I was fluent in 9 languages, so obviously Yiddish was one of them, but since I have not used it for a very long time, I lost most of my languages.